Would you want to acquire free buyer traffic on demand with only one click of a button? I have the ideal solution for you because you're about to get your hands on a brand new program that allows you to acquire free buyer traffic from over 100 of the most popular traffic sources online. Free traffic has been the single most important factor in growing our business from $0 to thousands of dollars each day, and we've chosen to create the most powerful traffic app available on the internet. Whether you're a youngster, a retiree, or just someone searching for better outcomes, Online Traffic Shark assists you in achieving your objectives and obtaining the results you deserve. I'd like to introduce a game changer for all those in need of traffic, the ultimate beginner solution, the brand new Traffic Shark, the biggest, best, and most powerful traffic app you've ever seen. This is ideal for anyone who needs traffic in 2022 and beyond. Traffic Shark handles all of the legwork for you so you can acquire free buyer traffic with over 100 of most popular traffic sources on the internet. Free buyer traffic that converts into $27.11 per hour into our business over and over again with only one single click. Use Traffic Shark. It'll send buyer traffic to any link you choose, or get one of our hand-picked 100% done for you profit links included inside the software. 1 is to get a copy before the price goes up. 2 is to log in and add any link you'd want the traffic to go to, or choose one of our hand-picked 100% done for you magic profit links. Finally, in only 60 seconds, get free buyer traffic from over 100 hot traffic sources, bringing in $27.11 per hour. That's all there is to it. To make Traffic Shark operate, there is no technical setup necessary, and no prior knowledge is required. The nickname, Traffic Shark, was chosen for a purpose. It's the king of all internet traffic tools, and it handles all the legwork to get you the traffic you need to truly crush it in 2022. This has nothing to do with hard labor, demanding tasks, generating products, getting on camera, social media spamming, or anything else you can think of. This is your chance to make a genuine difference in your business in 2022. The Traffic Shark is the internet shortcut you've been looking for. So you're probably thinking, how much is this costing? In the near future, we expect to charge at least $197 each month for this. You won't find anything comparable nowadays. It's only a little one-time expenditure if you act soon. You'll also receive a number of unique benefits to help you achieve your goals, bonuses that you won't find anywhere else since no one else offers them. There are many more free traffic applications and courses available, all of which are geared to help you succeed. Because your success is all that counts, you'll be supported by our professional US-based support staff, who will quickly answer any questions you may have once inside, making your selection a no-brainer. Our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee protects your little investments. Use the app to get free traffic for up to 6 months without taking any risks. There's only one catch. In order to take advantage of this launch bargain and get everything for this ridiculously low one-time fee, you must act right now. So, if you're ready for infinite traffic including over 100 of the most popular traffic sources online, you'll be able to earn as an affiliate in just 22 days. Then click the button below to get your discount right away. To get immediate access, click the Add to Cart option below. Make your purchase now, before the price rises, and I'll see you within the members area.